Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we've got another Temu unboxing, and we have a selection of things in here, from banana slices to diamond paintings and keychains. So yeah, we'll get into this right now and see what we got. It's been a very busy day today. I've been unboxing Tada's unboxing that she got me. And yeah, so we'll put that over to one side. Now, the first thing that I got is Christmas is coming up. I need to start thinking of Christmas ideas for my family. And the first thing I got, my brother loves his beer, so I thought I'm going to get him that. How cute is that? It's like a little beer keyring, and it's got like the little dots. That's really cool. It's got like the little dots as if it's bubbles. I think that's plastic. Yeah, that's plastic. But it reminds me of, there's a creator called Bliss something, and she does all like resin kits. You can buy these resin kits where you make like milkshakes and stuff, and I thought that was really good for like a little gift. And he, you know, you can put it on his keys. But what I really like about this is the size. It's come out a lot bigger than I thought. So yeah, I'm happy with that. That can go back in there, and I'll get that all wrapped up for Christmas. So getting a well in advance this year, because I always leave it to the last minute. So yeah, I got that. The next thing I got is, I didn't really need this, but the next thing I got was, oh blimey, that's massive. We have a banana. Now, that's a little bit too big, if I'm totally honest with you, so I'm not going to open that, because apparently what you do, we haven't got a banana in here, but you're supposed to basically put that, like the banana underneath it, and then you push that over the top, and it's supposed to slice it into individual segments. So looking at that, I mean, it's a little bit too big. But yeah, I might return that. That's come up a little bit more than I expected. So I got that. And lastly in this consignment, this was another recommendation painting. And I was like, I've got to have this. So we'll get into it. It is cats. Now next year we have just finished doing our cat theme, and next year we are going to be doing another cat theme. And this one is this. Really cute, beautiful. I don't really like 20x30s because it's a very unusual size, but how can you not say no to that? Look how cute! It's so beautiful. The pinks, it's just so cute the way they're sort of like cuddling each other, like keeping each other company. 20x30, 15 colours, and it is this cute little cat kitten. You've got this big love heart behind. We'll say like the male and the female. And you've got a little few love hearts there. And then down here, these lovely pink balloons. I'm getting the vibe like it's a Valentine's Day sort of painting. So that will be cropping up in February 2024. So very happy with that. We've got our standard boat there. And then with the drills, we'll put that over to one side. The drills, are you ready? Are you ready? Look at this. Can't get into it. And as you can see in here, we have we have the pink, the blue, the black, grey, and then an orange. And we also have white, purple, grey, brown, pinks, lilac, brown, peach, and a yellow. So yeah, I just had to get it. It was so cute. It was a recommendation one, so you know when like you put some in your basket and then it goes, here's one you might like. Well, that is what come up, and I was like, it's coming home with me. So yeah, I hope you like my little haul. As to say, I do think this is a little bit on the big side for bananas, but as I said, bananas do range in sizes, so they can be small, they can be big. So I mean, I think it would struggle with a smaller banana, but I think they make it big just in case there's a big banana. But as I say, the idea is that you're supposed to put, as you can see, banana slicer. You're supposed to put the banana under it, and then it slices it. I can see it just if I'm totally honest with you, I can see it just mushing. So as soon as you put it over it, I think it's just going to like slosh, you know, all go sloshy. But I don't know. I mean, obviously it's plastic. It's not got blades on it, but they do seem a bit like fairly sharp. So maybe, I don't know. But anyway, I hope you like that little Temu unboxing. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. There's wonderful things on Temu. So you might be able to do your whole Christmas shop on there for gift wise. Obviously not with the food and that, but check out their clothing stores. I've actually got, at the time of recording this, my nephew's birthday is coming up, so I've actually got a little cute t-shirt for him, which you'll see in a future unboxing. But until then, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that notification bell, and you can become a ding-dong and also get notified as and when a video goes up on the channel. We do unboxings every Wednesday, and until next time, catch you later.